Today's topic is business applications of information technology in the subject of management of information system. So first, what is the internet? The internet is an increasingly important part of everyday life for people around the world. But if we have never used the internet before, all of this new information might feel a bit of confusing at first. Throughout this tutorial, we will try to answer some basic questions you may have about internet and how it is used. When you are done, you will have a good understanding of how the internet works, how to connect to the internet, and how to browse the web. Internet The internet is a global network of billions of computers and other electronic devices. With the internet, it's possible to access almost of any information, communicate with anyone else in the world, and do much more. You can do all of this by connecting a computer to the internet, which is also called as going online. When someone says a computer is online, it's just another way of saying it's connected to the internet. Advantage of internet. First, information on almost every subject imaginable. Next to powerful search engines, ability to do research from your home versus research libraries. Information at various levels of study, everything from scholarly articles to ones directed at children. Message boards where people can discuss ideas, any topic, ability to get wide range of opinions. People can find other that have a similar interest in whatever they are interested in. The internet provides the ability of emails, free mail services to anyone in the country. Platform for products like Skype, which allows to for holding a video conference with anyone in the world who also has access. Friendships and love connections have been made over the internet by the people involved in love and passionate over the similar internets. Things such as Yahoo Answers and other sites where kids can have really available help for homework. News of all kinds of is available almost instantaneously. Commentary on that news from every conceivable viewpoint is also available. Advantages of internet. There is a lot of wrong information on the internet. Anyone can post anything, and much of it's garbage. There are predators that hang out on the internet, waiting to get unsuspecting people in dangerous situations. Some people are getting addicted to the internet and thus causing problems with their interactions of friends and loved ones. Pornography that can get in the hands of the young children easily. Easy to waste a lot of time on the internet. You can start surfing and then realize for more time has passed than you realized. Internet and television together are added to the more secret, sedentary lifestyles of people, which further expedited the obesity problems. Internet has a lot of cheaters sites. People can buy essays and post them off as their own for more easily than they used to be able to do. There are a lot of unscrupulous businesses that have sprung up on the internet to take advantage of the people. Hackers can create virus that can get into your personal computer and valuable data. Hackers can use the internet for identity theft. It can be quite depressing to be on the internet and realize just how to uneducated so many people have become in today's society. Electronic commerce, usually known as e-commerce, online commerce, or web-based commerce. Electronic commerce means doing business in products or services through online or using internet in doing business of products and services. Internet is the major backbone of e-commerce transactions. E-commerce means sale or purchase of goods and services conducted over the network of computers or television channels by methods of specifically designed for the purpose. Advantages of e-commerce. The advantages of the e-commerce can be classified mainly into three categories. First one is advantage to the organizations, and second one is advantage to the customers, and third one is advantage to the society. Advantage to organizations: increase customer base. The customer base is every business main concern, online or offline. When online, a business does not have to worry about getting the best properly in town. People from around the world have access to their products and can come back at any time. Rise in sales. Rise in sales by not managing a statement, a storefront. Any business will have more sales online with a higher profit margin. They can redistribute money to make the consumer shopping experience faster and more efficient. While being available to intermediate international market, more product will sell 24 by 7 into 365 days. It is a snowing and the roads are closed, or it is too hot and humid to even step out in the summer, or holiday that every store in town closes. You will your online business is open for consumers 24 by 7 every day of the year. The doors never close and profits will make keeping rising. Expand business reach. A great tool on the internet is a transaction. A business owner does not have to make a site for every language. With the right marketing, every consumer around the globe can find the business site, products, and information without leaving. Recurring payments mode easy. With a little research, every business can set up recurring payments. Find the provider that best suits your needs, and billing will be done in a consistent manner. Payments will be received in the same way. Instant transactions. With e-commerce, there is no more waiting for the check to clear or 30 days. Wait for certain other types of payments. Transactions are cleared immediately or almost 2-3 days for the money to clear through the banking system. Business expansions. Using e-commerce, organizations can expand their marketing to national and international markets with minimum capital investment. An organization can easily locate more customers, best suppliers, and suitable business partners and across the globe, reducing reduced process time. E-commerce helps organizations to reduce the cost to create processes, retrieve and manage the proper based information by digitalizing the information. Brand image. E-commerce improves the brand image of the company. Better customer services. E-commerce helps the organization to provide better customer services. Easy and faster processing. E-commerce helps to simply the business process and make them faster and efficient. Reduce paperwork. E-commerce reduces paperwork a lot. Increased productivity. E-commerce increases the productivity of the organization. It supports full type of supply management. In full type of supply management, a business process starts when a request comes from a customer and it uses just-in-time manufacturing way. Customers. Convenience. Every product is at the tip of your fingers on the internet. Literally. Type in the product you are looking for into your favorite search engine and every option appears in a well organized list in a matter of seconds. Time saving. With e-commerce, there is no driving in circles while looking and digging in hopes of finding what you need. Stores online offer their full lines as well as warehouses instead of storefront products are easy to locate and can be delivered to your door in just days. Options and options. Without driving from store to store, the consumer can easily compare and constant products. See who offers the best pricing and have more options to choose from. While a physical store has limited space, the same store on the internet will have full stock. Easy to compare. Side by side comparison are readily available and easy to do. When products are placed online, they come with all the specifics and they want to you to compare them with others. No, they have the best options and come back for more. Easy to find reviews because of the competition is high. Company does not does online want to look at other consumers reviews. Good and bad reviews are on every site. Not only can you see if the product liked, you can also see the reasons behind the thumbs up or down. Coupons and deals. With every online business wanting you more and more coupons and deals cannot be avoided, which are totally great too for forecasting with major sites the tax department stores. You may find items up to 80% off. Take advantage of the competition and find the best price available. 24 into 7 supports. Customer can do transactions for the products or inquiry about any product or services provided by a company anytime, anywhere, from any location. Here 24 into 7 refers to 24 hours of each 7 days of a week. Unlimited options. E-commerce applications provides user more and quick delivery of products. Review of feedback facility. A customer can put review comments about a product and can see what others are buying. See that review comments of other customers before making find why. Virtual actions. E-commerce provides options of virtual action. readily available of information. A customer can see the relevant details information within seconds rather than waiting for days or weeks. E-commerce increases competition among the organizations and as a result organizations provide substantial discounts to customers. To society. Customers need not travel to a shop, products the less traffic on roads and low air pollution. E-commerce helps reducing cost of products so less affluent people can also afford the products. E-commerce has enabled access to services and products to rural areas as well as which are otherwise not available to them. E-commerce helps government to deliver public services like healthcare, education, social services at reduced cost and improved way. Internet, it is a global system of interconnection connected computer networks not regulated by any authority. Thus connects in the network is accessible to everyone connected. It is largest in terms of number of connected devices. It is owned by no one's. It is more means of sharing information throughout the world. Security is dependent of the user of the devices connected to network. Example, what we are normally using is internet. Users can access internet to any anonymously. Internet is unregulated and uncensored. Internet. It is a private network specific to an organization. It is regulated by an organization. Thus, connect in the network is accessible only to members of organization. It is small network with minimal number of connected devices. It is owned by a single organization. It means of sharing sensitive information throughout the organization. Security is enforced via firewalls. Examples: TCS using internet network for its business operations. Users should have valid username, passwords to access internet. By internet is regulated by the organization policies. Extranet. It is a private network that uses public network to share information with suppliers and vendors. It is regulated by the multiple organizations. The the content in the network is accessible to members of organization and external members with access to network. It is owned by single or multiple organizations. It is a means of sharing information between members and external members. Security is enforced by a firewall that separate internet and extranet. Example: HP and Intel using network for business related operations. Users should have valid username, password to access the internet. Extranet is also regulated by the contractual arguments between organizations. Information system for decision making, transaction processing system, management information system, decision support system, knowledge system, group support system, communication systems, office automation system, enterprise resource planning system. Information system for managed decision making, strategic management. As a part of strategic planning process, top executives development overall organizational goals, strategies, policies, and monitor the strategic performance of the organization and its overall direction in the political, economic, and competitive business environment. Tactical management. Business units managers and business professionals in self-directed team develop short and medium range plans, schedules, budgets, and specify policies, procedures, and business activities for their subunits of the company, and allocate resources and monitor the performance of their organizational subunits, including department, divisions, processes, teams, project teams, and other working groups. Operational management. Operational managers and members of self-directed team development short range plans, example weekly production schedules, and direct the use of resources and the performance of tasks according to procedures and within budgets and schedules they establish for the teams and other work groups of the organization. Operational support system produce a variety of information products for internal and external use, such as processing business transactions, controlling industrial processes, supporting enterprise communication and collaborations, and updating corporate database effectively. They do not emphasize specific information products that can be used by managers. Further processing by management information system is usually required. Management information system provides in the form of resource reports and displays to managers and many business professionals that supports their day-to-day decision-making needs. Usually, the information has been specified in advance to adequately meet the expectations of operational and tactical levels of the organizations, where the decision-making situations are more structured and better defined. Decision support systems are computer-based information systems that provide interactive information support to managers and business professionals during the decision making process. DSS use analytical models, specialized databases, a decision maker's own insights and judgments, and an interactive computer based modeling process to support semi structured business decisions. Information system or execute support system or information system that combine many of the future of MIS decisions DSS, and the information is presented in form of tailored to the preferences of the executives using the system, such as a graphical user interface customized to the executive graphics displays, exception reportings, trend analysis, and ability to drill down and retrieve display of related information quickly at the lower layers of detail. Specialized processing system or information systems characterized as functional business systems, strategic information system, knowledge management system, and expert system. It is important to realize that business applications of information system in the real world are typically integrated combinations of all these types of information systems. In practice, all these different types of and roles of information systems are combined into integrated across functional. Next, business information system that provides a variety of functions. Thus, most information systems are designed to produce information and support decision making for various levels of management and business functions, as well as perform record keeping and transaction processing course. Whenever you analyze or work with the information system, you probably see that it provides information for a variety of managerial levels of and business functions. Information system for business operations. Marketing information system. Marketing activities are directed towards planning, promoting, selling goods and services to satisfy the needs of customers and the objectives of the organization. 5 P's of marketing supports decision making such as product, price, place, promotion, and people. Production information system. Product design and engineering, product scheduling, quality control, production costing, production logistics, manufacturing resource planning, computer integrated manufacturing, computer aided manufacturing, total quality management, and inventory management, accounting and financial information, receivable management, accounts payable management, payroll records management, inventory control management, general ledgers, financial forecasting and planning, financial control, funds management, internal financial auditing, capital budgeting, working capital management, dividend decisions, financial leverages, funds procurement, and funds allocation. Human resource information system, human resource planning, recruiting and workforce management, compensation and benefits, government reporting and relation support, marketing information system, product line pricing, supply chain management, enterprise resource planning, sales forecast, sales force management, sales promotion management, publicity, advertisement, sales forecast. Information system for strategic advantage. Low cost leadership. Use the information system to achieve the lowest operational cost and the lowest prices. For example, a supply chain management system can incorporate an efficient customer response system to directly link consumers' behavior to distribution and production and supply chains, helping lower inventory and distribution costs. Product differentiation. Use information system to enable new products and services or greatly change the customer's convenience in using your existing products and services. For instance, lands end users mass customization, offering individually tailored products or services using the same product resources as mass production to customer tailored clothing to individual customer specifications. Focus on marketing niche. Use information systems to enable a specific market focus and serve this narrow target market better than the competitors. Information systems support this strategy by producing and analyzing data to finely tuned sales and marketing techniques. Hilton Hotels uses a customer information system with detailed data about the achieving gates to provide tailored services and reward probabilities customers with extra privileges and attention. Strength strengthen customer and supplier intimacy. Use information system to tighten linkages with suppliers and develop intimacy with the customers. Chrysler Corporation uses information system to facilitate direct access from suppliers to production schedules and even permit suppliers to decide how and when to ship supplies to Chrysler factories. This allows support more lead time to in production goods. Strong linkages to customer and supplier, increasing switching costs, the cost of switching from one product to a competing product, and loyalty to your firm. What is the competitive strategy? Here we are in the center of the firm and competitors. The relationship in a firm competitors affected by the environmental factors, new market entrants, substitute products, customer supply, customers and supplies. SWOT, SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. And so, a SWOT analysis is a technique for assessing these four aspects of your business. You can use SWOT analysis to make the most of what you have got to your organization best advantage, and you can reduce the chances of failure by understanding what you are lacking and maintaining hazards that would otherwise catch your unawares. Better still, you can start to craft a strategy that distinguishes you from your competitors and so competition compete successfully in your markets. SWOT analysis or matrix is a strategic planning technique used to help a person or organization identify strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats related to business competition or project planning. It is designed for use the preliminary stage of decision making process and can be used as a tool for evaluating of the strategic position of a city or organization. It is intended to specify the objectives of the business venture or project and identify the internal and external factors that are favorable and unfavorable to achieve these objectives. Users of SWOT analysis often ask and answer questions to generate meaningful information for each category to make the tools useful and identify the competitive advantages. Analysis can be discussed by the four categories: internal, external, positive, and negative. So, positives are strengths and opportunities. Most, in case of strength, most sponsors corporate patterns spread across the world in 650 languages and regions. The market territory spans nearly 200 countries on five continents. Selling are not only cola but also other types of beverages. Long history with a certain status. Opportunities: Olympic Games sponsorship, participation in the World Cup, Chinese rural market entrance, American film market entrance. Weaknesses: no certain integration and common goal or strategic management. Failure to develop new tastes, gradual transfer of customer loyalty. Loss of market development opportunities. Threats: Pepsi, the biggest competitor, products may not be favored by young people today. Products are not considered to be good for health. The critical path method (CPM) is a step-by-step project management technique for process planning that define critical and non-critical tasks with the goal of the preventing time frame problems and process bottlenecks. The CPM is ideally suited to projects consisting of numerous activities that interact in a complex manner. In applying the CPM, there are several steps that can be summarized as follows. Define the required tasks and put them down in an order sequence list. Created a flowchart or other diagram showing each task in relation to the others. Identify the critical and non-critical relationships paths among the tasks. Determine the expected completion or execution time for each task. Locate the device alternative backups for the most critical paths. Program evaluation review technique. PERT is a technique adapted by organization to analyze and represent the activities in a project and to illustrate the flow of events in a project. PERT is a method to evaluate and estimate the time required to complete a task within deadlines. PERT serves as a management tool to analyze, define, and integrate events. PERT also illustrates the activities and interdependence in a project. The main goal of PERT is to reduce the cost and time needed to complete a project. Identify tasks and milestones. Every project involves a series of required tasks. These tasks are listed in a table allowing additional information on sequence and timing to be added later. Placing the task in a project proper sequence. The tasks are analyzed and placed in a sequence to get the desired results. Networking diagram. A networking diagram is drawn using the activity sequence that data showing the sequence of serial and parallel activities. Time estimating. This is the time required to carry out each activity in three parts. Optimistic timings, the shortest time to complete an activity. Most likely timing, the completion time having the highest probability. Pessimistic timing, the longest time to complete an activity. Critical path estimating. This determines the total time required to complete a project. Advantage of part chart explicitly defined and makes visible dependence precedence relationship between the work breakdown structure, commonly WBS elements. Part facilitate identification of the critical path and makes this visible. Part facilitate identification of early starts, late starts, and slack for each activity. Part provides for potential reduced projection duration due to better understanding of dependencies leading to improved overlap of activities and tasks where feasibilities. The large amount of project data can be organized presented in a diagram for using decision making. There can be potential hundreds of or thousands of activities and individual dependence relationships. What is not easily scalable for smaller projects? The network charts tend to be large and unwidely, requiring several pages to print and requiring special size papers. The lack of time frame on most part and CPM charts makes it hard to show status, although colors can help. Example, the specific color for completed nodes. When the part and CPM charts become unwidely, they are no longer used to manage the project. Limitations. A major disadvantage of part has been its emphasis only on time, not on cost. The cost of setting up such systems are expensive. It is difficult to estimate accurate time and cost of various activities involved in a part project. Errors in estimation makes the part charts unreliable as a control aid. These systems will not help manage to solve all their problems.